Yo, what's good, guys? This is Sean back with you. I'm here to work on the car. Working on the WRX some. So I got the front bumper off and just putting on the new grill. So I got the JDM front grill. Mine is a little kind of jacked up. I accidentally like scratched the front up, and so I'm putting the new grill on and doing the emblems. So I'm changing those out to kind of color match with the color I'm going with. So let's get into it. Once you get the front bumper off, it should be straightforward. Well, I say that with every install, but there's going to be some screws on the back. Those come off, and then this piece should just pop right off. So we'll get right into it. Alright, so once you get the screws out, I believe that, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws on the back here. Once those come out, there's going to be these little like clips, and you just push them down, and then this will pop up. So once you get that up, this will pop right out. So before I put on the JDM grill, I'm going to take this emblem off and put the old school impreza emblem on, and basically I'm just going to heat this up and then it'll peel off. It's just held on with 3M tape, so once you heat it up, it'll loosen up the adhesiveness, and then should be able to pull right off. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, emblems are like my least favorite things to do. This thing was a pain in the dick, but once I used the heat gun, I just applied a little force and it came right off. So yeah, on to the next step. We're just gonna put on the impreza emblems, and everything else should be straightforward. I always say that and then run into an issue, but now it's just working backwards. So we're gonna clean that off, and once we clean that off, the new emblems will go on. And let's put this bad boy up, see what it looks like. Alright, so like I said, once you get the grill off and you clean it up, if you have new emblems, with me it took a little bit to get the adhesive off, but I used a heat gun, and just take your time with it or else you'll scratch it. I scratched mine a little bit, but you can't really notice it. So once you get that back on, you just work backwards and line your stuff up and place it back. I got the rear emblem as well, so I'm gonna do that here in a second, and then I'm going to do my side ones as well, because these chrome ones are going away. I'm just doing blacked out there, and the other one in the back. So I already did those. We did those in a different video, and I'm getting rid of this one for the one to match the front. And that's it. Alright, that's it, guys. Pretty much finished. I got the emblem on the front grill with the JDM grill. Blacked out the sides. All I did was use a heat gun, and the old stuff came up easily. New one went down. And then last but not least, the rear emblem, which looks good. So now the back's looking right, and I'm ready for it's ready for the show. All right, guys. Well, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. Got some more stuff coming. Some stuff for the S2000. But as of right now, WRX. Well, WRX is pretty much finished. I do have some stuff coming in, but they're on back order, so they're gonna take a while. I got a front lip coming in. I'm getting the headers done, and then tune. So right now the tune's kind of like funky, but once I get this thing tuned in 2 weeks, it's gonna be a beast, and I'm pretty much gonna be done. And then I'll work on the interior probably later, but I'm gonna get the Honda done. So alright, guys, peace out. See you later.